Good morning, Mom. Morning, Mom. I am a sloth.
Ah! What is that? Ginu, you almost gave me a heart attack. It's just a mask. We made it last night. I know that, but looks real, huh?
That is a masterpiece. The eyes are perfect. Oh.
Michael, don't encourage him. It was 2 centimeters from my face. Look, Rumi, I am your new brother. Get away, weirdo. It smells like glue. Wait, I have another one.
Okay, sloths later. Breakfast first.
Pancakes! I want fresh mango too. Today is the jungle tour. Are you ready for the heat?
I was born ready. I have my lucky hat.
But it looks aesthetic, Mom. Pura Vida vibes. Rumi, eat the papaya. Don't just photograph it.
Do you know what pura vida means?
It means pure
Life.
It's hello and goodbye. Can I wear my mask to the jungle? No. The real animals might get confused.
Look at this hat. I am Indiana Jones. Oh.
You look like a tourist, Dad. A very obvious one.
Welcome to the rainforest. I am Carlos.
Well.
Nice to meet you. We are ready for adventure.
Mom, are there dinosaurs here? No dinosaurs. But maybe monkeys and sloths.
This is a walking palm. It moves towards the sun.
Plants can walk? That is creepy but cool.
Ginu, slow down. Save your energy.
I can't! I am powered by mangoes!
Ginu, come on. That's not a thing.
Mango power! Woo! Listen, do you hear that? Oh, it sounds like music? It is! Look up there! In the guarumo tree!
I see a gray ball of fur.
Is it sleeping? Is it a monster? Is it the sloth?
It is a 3-toed sloth. Very peaceful.
It's not moving. Is it real? Oh.
It's meditating. Like me on Sundays.
It moves so slow. Mom, look at his arm. He is taking his time. No rush in the jungle.
That is my dream job. Holding a tree all day.
You would fall asleep and fall off, Michael. He moved. He scratched his nose.
That action took him 5 minutes.
Woo! It's like watching a video in slow motion. I think he is faster when we are not looking.
I feel a connection with this animal. We are brothers.
Oh, Dad! Please don't climb the tree. Carlos, is that a snake sound?
No, that is just the wind in the bamboo. Oh, okay.
Thank goodness. Look! Something fast! Super fast! Whoa! What was that shadow?
White-faced monkeys. They are very cheeky.
They are the opposite of the sloth. Hello, monkey. Do you want a banana? Ginu, no food. They are wild animals.
It is getting hot. Phew. Phew.
Hey! Watch out!
He is close! My hat! He took my hat! Oh no, that happens sometimes. He stole my magic hat! It's gonna be alright. He didn't mean any harm. Hey! Give that back! That is a vintage hat!
Dad, he looks better in it than you.
The monkey is the king now! King Monkey!
Michael, let it go. You can't climb that high.
I am sorry. He will not give it back.
My Indiana Jones moment is over.
At least the sloth didn't take it.
If the sloth took it, I could catch him.
This is going on Instagram. Dad got robbed by a monkey. Can I have a hat so the monkey takes mine too?
Thunder! Rain is coming! We must move!
Let's do rain?
But it was sunny 1 minute ago.
Run! Protect the cameras! Ah! Wet! Wet!
My hair! It's ruining my hair! It's a rainforest, honey. Rain is part of the name. Well, now I really miss my hat. My head is wet.
The monkey has an umbrella now. This is tropical rain. It is warm. Yeah?
It is actually quite beautiful, like silver water. Look, the leaves are shiny. The smell is different. It smells green.
I am soaked. But I feel alive.
You look like a wet dog, Michael.
The rain wakes up the forest. Look there!
A frog. A tiny red frog. It looks like a gummy bear. Don't touch it. I won't. I am a good explorer.
Goodbye, hat. Serve the monkey well.
We will buy you a new one at the airport. Look! The sloth is in the same spot!
He moved 1 inch. That is a busy day for him.
You are smart, Mr. Sloth. You don't lose your hat.
He doesn't have a hat, Dad. This was a good day, even with the robbery.
Yes, it was an adventure.
Mom! The stars are in the trees! Fireflies. They come out after rain. It's magical, like a fairy tale. Can I catch one?
No catching, just watching. Pura vida.
Pura vida, firefly. Are you tired, Rumi? No phone signal here. I didn't miss it. The monkeys were better than TikTok.
I have the keys. I have the wallet. Just no hat.
You have the memories, Michael. I am the sloth again. I will walk slow to the bus.
Please don't. I am hungry.
Walk fast! Mom, can we get a pet sloth? Absolutely not. He would be late for dinner every day. Look at this one. The monkey looks so happy with your hat.
He does have style, I admit. It moves slow, but it catches you.
What catches you? What catches you?
The jungle, the peace, it catches your heart.
Oh, wow, Dad. That was deep. One adventurer is asleep.
Good night, my little sloth.